Hi there, just wanted to do a quick walkthrough to show how to share a Canvas quiz with another instructor. First, you're going to go to the Canvas course in which your quiz resides. I'm going to borrow an assessment from the psychology department. So I'm then going to go to quizzes and find the quiz that I want to share. Take Psych 100 assessment. Over on the right hand side, you'll see the three dots menu. Click that and then choose Send To. Then you start typing the person's name, find their name there, click Send. It says content share started successfully. And then once that gets processed, the person you send it to will get a little notification here over their profile picture, a little badge that says 1. If you click that, they'll see a shared content with another little badge. You can click that, and then we'll see here that we've got some shared content that we can choose what to do. If you if you click on the three buttons again, you have the option to import. Choose import, and then you can choose which course in which you want to import that. So choose Psych 100 here, and then you can choose a module as well. If there's no modules to put it into, they can assign that later. They click import, and then it imports it into their course, just like they would any other course content import. Now, if we want to then export the information from that, we're going to go into that course. So now I'm switching over to a statistics course here, but I do have an assessment in here as well. I'm going to go to my quizzes. I'm going to find my assessment plan here. Choose that, and then it's going to ask me what I want to do. I want to do quiz statistics. And up at the top, I want to do student analysis. When I click student analysis, it's going to give me the breakdown by student for each answer. So let me just give you a little preview of that. So I've excluded the students' names here, but across the top you can see that we've got the questions that they were asked, the point value, and then an indication of whether or not they've got things right. So this is basically any export that you might get from some type of survey software. So the processing then can go from there. If they get the question right or wrong, you can look at that, or if it's open-ended that you want to code, you can use their responses that they'll be typed in as well. I think we've got a good example of that for the first one here. So this was an open-ended essay question, and here individuals typed out their responses. So that's available through this as well. So once the instructor downloads this, they can send that to the assessment rep. Might be a good idea for them to either rename it or include in the email what section or class they're teaching. But if you are the assessment rep and you're wondering, it should have that information also embedded in the file. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is jweaver@svsu.edu.